Bill Wolf and Sons began operations in 1951 as a drilling and pump service company near Abernathy, Texas. Irrigation was new at the time and rapidly gaining popularity. Undoubtedly, the location had its challenges, as Wolf Pumps was born in the most abrasive water conditions in West Texas. After several years, Wolf recognized the need to design, manufacture, and build pumps with higher efficiencies to better accommodate the ever-changing water table and various applications the harsh conditions required. This was the start of Wolf Pumps. Under normal conditions, the life expectancy for a Wolf pump is 15 to 20 years. Couple that with a warranty return rate of less than 1/4%. Wolf will outlast any pump. Why? Good question, and the reason for the name of this training module. Before we get to the why, let's address a couple of easier questions such as what and how. What is easy to answer. Ask any employee in the company, what does your company do? You will find that you'll get a 100% response because everyone knows what their company does. So let's get started with the easiest one. What? What Wolf Pumps does is very simple. They manufacture 5 different sizes of submersible turbine pumps, ranging from 4-inch, 5-inch, 6, 7, and 8-inch in diameter. These pumps are designed for a variety of applications, such as agriculture and commercial irrigation, residential irrigation, turf pumps, industrial and municipal wells, livestock watering, dewatering, mining and saltwater applications. So how easy is this to explain? It's simple. Now, let's move on to how. Wolf is extremely consistent in how they get things done. All incoming goods and components receive an initial inspection. These materials are carefully evaluated to be sure they meet strict specifications. Once these components, such as bowls, discharges, motor brackets, impellers, shaft materials, bearings, and bushings, pass that initial inspection, they're tagged and only then are put into inventory, machining at their factory. It is in this area of production where raw castings are machined to perfection into impellers, bowls, and discharges. Quality inspections are conducted at each machine and for each machining process. Only after passing this quality inspection can the parts be delivered to the production line in order for a pump to be built. At Wolf Pumps, this is how they do things. It also offers its customers a choice in bushing options as follows. Rubber. This rubber bushing is fluted to allow sand to be directed through the bearing. Bronze. The low-lead bronze bushing is an industry standard and provides additional stability. Silicon carbide. This is a very hard material that can protect against sand, particulates, and abrasives. Visconite. This is a hard-wearing thermopolymer design for challenging applications. This is low-friction, high-lubricity material is used for high temperatures and/or chemical resistance. Ceramic. This proprietary bushing is an embedded, extreme quality material. Perhaps its greatest feature is its tight tolerance, 1/1000th of an inch. This extends the life of the pump by keeping fine particulates from passing through the bushing. For comparison, a human hair is 4/1000ths of an inch. In this example, various types of bushings were used in aggressive particulate and chemical test applications to better view wear patterns. On close inspection, it's easy to see the wear pattern differences. In this case, between a rubber bushing and one made of visconite. Impeller options offered by Wolf include a low-lead bronze impeller, which is an industry standard and resistant to chemicals. Wolf can also provide investment cast stainless steel impellers for both high chemical and abrasive resistance. As shown, impellers are also available in non-clog, open, or enclosed design. Wolf can and will custom trim any impeller to every 1/16th of an inch to optimize performance. 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch open stainless steel impellers are only available on Wolf branded pumps. It's a Wolf exclusive. The longevity of a Wolf pump starts with a straight shaft that will support the impellers or staging. All impellers are 100% balanced prior to use in order to minimize any potential for vibration and premature wear on the pump and its components. Each impeller is precision fit and placed within Wolf submersible turbine bowls. Much attention is given to the detail when Wolf assembles their pumps. In this image, you'll see the difference between a properly placed Wolf impeller versus another brand. Wolf realizes that some water will exit from the skirt of the impeller as shown. Due to the poor placement of the impeller on the left-hand side of this picture, you can view the damage done to the bowl as the water cuts its own path to the exit. This will not occur with a Wolf pump. You also have options available for the pump discharge castings. All are Class 65 ductile iron. A white top is a basic threaded discharge without a bearing or collar. A red top discharge includes a closed discharge bearing at the top, or on pumps up to 3 stages, a factory preset upthrust bolt as pictured. Without question, one of the greatest advantages to a Wolf pump is the bowl design. The extremely popular glass-lined cast iron is a preferred bowl in many markets due to the smooth, low friction, and highly efficient water path. A Class 65 ductile iron option is also available for added strength. This closed cell design is great for deep set or high pressure applications, mining, oil field, and washdown operations. Stainless steel bowls are often used in mining and or saltwater applications. There are differences between threaded bowls and those that bolt together, as seen here. This is an image of a threaded bowl and a bolt-together bowl. Both bowls would be used for a 6-inch submersible turbine pump. The bolt-together bowl requires a broader flange area for the bolt passages, which in turn reduces the ID of the bowl. The threaded bowl, on the other hand, does not require any space for bolt passages, and this results in a significantly larger ID, up to 15%. This larger ID allows water to move through the pump as quickly and efficiently as possible. Less resistance equals more efficiency. To add to the design efficiency of threaded bowls, assembly time is 5 times faster than bolt-together bowls, because bolts are not needed. It takes less than 30 minutes to build an 11-stage Wolf pump. These bowls literally spin together with just your fingertips. There are approximately 96 bolts that must be placed and tightened to build a comparable 11-stage bolt-together pump. Because of this, you could build 5 Wolf pumps in the time it takes to build one bolt-together pump. Maybe you've heard this comment before. I don't like threaded bowls because I can never get the pump apart. This is not true with a Wolf pump because of Wolf's concealed threads and watertight flanges. A closer view will allow you to see the watertight thread engagement. These concealed threads are what allows a Wolf pump to go together quickly and disassemble easily as well. The mating flanges are watertight, irrespective of the threads. We've all experienced female threads that don't start at the top. The female threads always run deeper than the male threads as shown. This design eliminates a water path to the engaged threads. Wolf takes special care here with the thread designs, because thread corrosion is the reason the threaded bowls from many other brands require heat to get them apart. This means that Wolf pumps will disassemble faster than any other pump, threaded or bolted. You can see here a video of a 25-year-old Wolf pump being taken apart in minutes, no heat required. What about bowl thickness? A Wolf bowl can have up to 20% heavier wall thickness than the competition, thereby extending life expectancies. To recap the advantages of Wolf bowls, you can choose either glass-lined or ductile iron, up to 15% larger inside diameters for the efficient flow through the pump, fast assembly and disassembly, more robust casting for longer life. Now that we've discussed components, let's move to Wolf in-house testing. Wolf factory tests every pump up to 500 horsepower 100%. Typical in-house testing checks performance at various points in the curve. Wolf will test at 100 foot above design point, at design point, at 100 foot below design point, as well as at shutoff. Wolf's world-class test facility includes a 70,000-gallon test pit with 2 60-inch casings 85 feet deep. Wolf can test on pipe sizes ranging from 2 through 10 inch and flow rates from 300 to 8,000 gallons per minute. Wolf's test facility also includes a 66-foot tall tower and a 4-ton overhead crane to transport pumps. Wolf can test for vibration analysis to detect harmonics, check for phase imbalance, especially when drives will be used, and stabilized motor temperatures to ensure correct amp measurement. A 360-degree digital camera allows for remote witness testing from anywhere in the world. This powerful camera can read letters on a postage stamp from 100 feet away. An observation deck allows real-time viewing of the assembly and testing processes. Let's move on to shipping, because Wolf believes their shipping to be unprecedented. A quick view of this map indicates 2 shipping points, with most areas of the country receiving 1 to 2 day service. Wolf ships fast. Finally, we come to the why. Wolf believes the best business strategy of all is a satisfied customer. Building a good customer experience doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. Wolf believes the most important process is what has made them successful and what continues to drive decisions they make for their customers. That's quality. Wolf vows to offer world-class quality products, service, and innovation that meets or exceeds customer expectations. Wolf believes that when you look at why Wolf does what it does, you'll see that it shows in so many ways. Maybe it's the 15 to 20 year life expectancy you'll get with a Wolf pump. Maybe it's all the inspections performed to ensure you get the best quality pump money can buy. Perhaps it's the available options or the field support provided. Maybe it's the time saved assembling or disassembling Wolf pumps. Or perhaps it's the very low warranty rate, possibly the best in the industry. Could it be the attention to all the details, or the fact that Wolf ships quickly to provide you the right pump right now? Could it be that being a family-owned American company like yourselves makes for a company you can directly relate to? Why? It's mirrored in what you see. It's echoed in how Wolf does business. It's what a customer-driven company does. So, there's your answer to why. Wolf does it for you. A satisfied customer is not by accident, but rather by design. So, why Wolf? Maybe the question should be rephrased. Why not Wolf?